Elisa's mom. Oh, I'm sorry.
Thank you for coming. Please keep your children to yourself and no flash photography. Enjoy the show.
He's like a little bride.
Children do yourself.
So your cell phone's on vibrate?
Yes. Your children need to be active in.
I love that part.
Oh wow.
The spikes
We can't understand you. Can you say that again, please?
The Spikes Revenge.
The Spikes Revenge.
Written and directed by Macy Wheelock and Caleb Gunther.
Good job, girl.
Are you in this, Kalina?
That's funny. That's funny.
That was funny.
Help me! Please, evil
Oh, the superheroes are here to save the day.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, look, Cole. Oh,
Such muscles.
I'm free!
Macy, please don't run too fast.
She's just acting like she's running fast.
What's your favorite pizza? Pepperoni.
oh.
That was the boom. Sonic
That
boom.
was the first song going on.
No, that was a drum.
Oh.
Where are they? I don't know. Let's look for them. There they
Pow! Bam! Kaboom!
That was a headlock.
Y'all stop.
Over here.
Stage right.
Oh. Window. Window.
Are you fine? Okay.
He does his own stunts, Mama.
No, it's the...
Ow, you hit me.
What is that? Hair?
That was so good.
Amazing.
Good job, guys.
What are you doing?